Good morning, everyone. I realized that spring is definitely one of my favorite seasons. The time finally changed. Now the sun sets at 7 p.m., which is amazing. There are flowers everywhere. It's warmer outside. Everything is so much better after winter. So to completely refresh and reset my life, I woke up early this morning and I have a long day planned. I'm really excited. I think this is gonna fully put me in the spring mood. Very typical outfit for me. I'm almost always wearing sweatpants and a tank top, and both of these being from Brandy is even more perfect. I also love this tank top with the floral and lace. I feel like it's perfect for spring, but if I'm just at home cleaning or doing chores or whatever, this is almost always what I have on. Every couple weeks I get super fixated on one breakfast food. Lately it's been avocado toast. It's the only thing I want for breakfast and the only food that I crave in the morning. And usually when I fixate on a breakfast food, I'll eat so much of it that I get tired of it and then eventually move on to another fixation of breakfast food. So lately it's been avocado toast and it's what I've been making for the last couple weeks now. As you guys know, earlier this year I moved and it's been a slow process at putting together my new space. I have to say, like, my personal preference has been going room by room and like completely dedicating my time to one room and then moving on to another one. I just think trying to tackle everything at once is way too overwhelming. So I did this entire vanity room and then I also just did my kitchen. But anyway, in this video, I want to do some more organizing and I also want to decorate and put things together more. So I bought these purse hooks for my closet and I'm so excited for these. So we're gonna put these up. I chose these purse hangers specifically so that they face the same direction as my shirts, but I don't know if this is the right place for them yet. I'm still deciding. I just printed all of these pictures from this camera. They're so cute in these Polaroid frames, so I'm definitely gonna decorate with these. I've been using the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 all the time to film my videos and take pictures. My camera roll is insane, but especially throughout this video, I filmed so many clips on this camera. Because of the size and features of this camera, it's so fun to get so many angles, mount it in so many places, and record more in public because it's kind of inconspicuous, so it's so much easier to get all of the clips that I want. The first thing I notice about this camera is the size. This camera is so small. It's actually crazy. It fits in pretty much any one of my purses, which is so nice because I can easily take it as I head out the door. And I find that when I have a super compact camera like this, I'm a lot more likely to take it with me, and the quality of this camera is so good. It's also waterproof, which makes me so excited to take this with me as I travel, and with the warmer months coming up, I can't wait to use this outside more. I also absolutely love the Silver Explorer grip kit. It's so cute with the little strap. It makes clicking the record button super easy and satisfying because it has like a clicking noise. And I've also been loving the matching Insta360 pocket printer. One of my favorite ways I've been decorating my new space is with wall art and hanging pictures. So with the pocket printer, I've been printing so many photos that I take on the Ace Pro 2. I love doing this so much. It's so fun to have like a physical copy of a picture. These photos also have come out really good. Like the quality and the color looks amazing. I just put up this key holder at the entryway. So I have my everyday purse here. This one, probably my favorite. It's just so cute. It's so me and it's perfect for spring. And then I had to decorate. I put some keychains, I have my keys and random stuff. And right here, I think it would be perfect to put these pictures. I feel like this is the perfect spot for all of it also, being right by the entryway. And then this is the door to my vanity room. So I'm gonna see these every day and it's so cute to have it all in one place. I think it's gonna be so fun too when I have my friends and family over and we take pictures and add it to this wall. So you can get your Insta360 Ace Pro 2 by using the link in the description, and thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video. Since when does Bath & Body Works have laundry detergent? I didn't even know this was a thing. I'm so excited to see if it's worth it. So I'm gonna wash this entire load with it. I honestly haven't started putting my room together at all since I moved. I'm definitely gonna do an entire room transformation video, but for now this is what it looks like. The other day I bought this really cute pot. I love the color and the size. I'm gonna put it somewhere in my house. I think in my living room, but I'm not sure yet. I've been putting plants all over my new space, so I need to get a plant to put in this one. And the street that I'm at right now has a plant store, a bookstore, and a cafe. Is that not the best lineup ever? Here are my new plants in their new pots. I love these pots so much, especially this one. I've had my eye on it at that plant shop for so long. It's just the prettiest, like purples and blues, and the way they glazed it just looks so good. And I'm so excited to find their new place. I also have been wanting to add more plants to my backyard. I have a lot of inspiration ideas, and with it being spring, it's just the perfect time to start picking out flowers and planting a garden. So we finally made it over to the store to start picking things out. But these were so expensive, I was actually shocked. I also bought wildflower seeds so that I could grow them myself, and we started picking out a couple places to put the flowers we bought. We only planted 3 big plants. It was so much fun just being outside. It was really starting to feel like spring. So I'm excited to keep planting and picking out what I want our backyard to look like. Right? I think this is a good spot. And the pink is so cute. All right. It's coming along. I decided to put this plant on my TV console, which is pretty cute right here, but I love how the rest of this room looks. I just uploaded my kitchen makeover video, which was so fun. So I'm slowly putting together the rest of the space. Over here above the fireplace, I'm not sure if this is gonna stay, but for now it looks good. I put a couple candles and then this painting, which I did a couple years ago. I do really like it. I just don't know if it fits here. So, and then below we have the fireplace and then this plant, which I think looks so good right here. I did have it on this side for a while, so I'm going back and forth, but I love it in this area. And then over here, I love how this looks. I have this plant as part of my kitchen. I'm also trying to keep my kitchen really clean and I love it. But out here, I love how it looks. I ended up putting my kitchen table here and then with this rug below, I just think it flows so well. So far, I love how it looks out here. I think it's so pretty. So lately I've been loving this creamy tomato pasta. I love this recipe because I make the entire sauce and it's honestly so fun and like so rewarding when you make the entire meal like this. So I'm using all whole ingredients that I picked up and I even have my own basil plant. So it's just so fun to put this all together and this pasta is so good. I'm so exhausted. I haven't been this tired in so long. Like my entire body is so drained. My eyes like hurt. It was just one of those days. I think also being out in the sun always exhausts me way quicker than usual. Right now it is 10:35 and I usually go to sleep at 11:30 on the dot every single night. But tonight I might have to call it a little early. Today was such a fun and long day. I don't think I sat down for more than like a minute today. But honestly, that's always one of my favorite things. Like when I am constantly like up doing something all day long, those are the days that I remember for the longest and that really stay with me, especially like starting the garden and putting the plants around the house. It was so nice to have all of that started and it really is feeling more like spring. I feel like my nighttime rituals is the most strict part of my routine. This never changes. I do the exact same steps every night.